Hey, this is Mike. Thank you so much for choosing this video. Today I'm in Whiteville, North Carolina, visiting Van Underwood Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, and I'm checking out a new Stage 1 Scat Pack kit. Now this is a kit that can be installed on a new Charger, Challenger, or a Chrysler 300. It can also be installed, they also have kits for trucks as well, but this one specifically is for the Charger. So let's go ahead and check it out. The Stage 1 kit includes a cold air intake, a catback exhaust system, and a recalibrated powertrain control module, the computer that controls the powertrain to compensate for the added parts. It also comes with an SRT oil filter. I thought that was pretty neat. And the badges for the side of the vehicle showing that you have upgraded to the Scat Pack kit. So the performance exhaust, here's the papers that come with it, showing you how it's laid out and what each component is. So it starts up there with the engine, and then it goes to the intermediate mufflers here, which are larger than the mufflers, which are back here. And then everything bolts in place, so from what I understand, the mechanics here, the technicians, say this is a very easy installation, and which adds a really good sound and increased horsepower. Here's the paper that came with the cold air intake, so you can see all the parts that it comes with and the part number. And there's the box which houses the filter, high performance filter there. And here's the control module, basically plugs in. And I don't know if there's any recalibration as far as they have to hook it up to a computer, most likely. So this is something that would have to be done at a dealership. And then you have your badges over here in this bag right here. There's some part numbers there. And then this oil filter, I don't know exactly if it's different, but it does have the SRT name on the side of it, the oil filter here. So maybe it's allows for more flow of oil. I'm not sure. It just could be just a name brand thing. So we're going to show you before and after as far as what the vehicle sounds like before with the stock exhaust, and then afterwards when this is installed, which it's not going to take very long from what I understand. It's a very simple add, and it's going to be done in the same day. So we'll check it out. Now for the Charger, here's the Stage 1 and 2 and 3 information here in the book. Just to give you an idea, you can use the pause button and read all the details if you want. You see the first one has the components that I have here, and then you have to go into the engine, start changing stuff for the additional components there. Start swapping heads and all that kind of stuff.